Yes.
Yes, inshallah. Now, we're going to differentiate, between al-ghiba, which is, kind of backbiting, and an-namima. Both of them actually are very, very bad actions. Backbiting, it comes from even the English term, the way how you or someone bites the back of his brother. And the Prophet ﷺ mentioned and elaborated the meaning of this to mention what your brother hates. So, whatever you're able to see this in front of him, whatever you can face him with whatever you're saying, as long as he hates what you're saying. So, this is a kind of backbiting. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala warned us, against these acts. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Quran, وَلَا يَغْتَبْ بَعْضُكُمْ بَعْضًا أيحب أحدكم أن يأكل لحم أخيه ميتا فكرهتموه. Would any of you love to eat the flesh of his brother's dead body? And this is very bad. This is the meaning of al-ghiba, to see it, behind the back of your brother. And namima is to mention something bad, or sometimes even to mention something good, by the way, but with the intention, is to make your brothers fight against each other. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, brother. Inshallah, we can stop here for today. Yes.
Okay, brother.
Uh, mm,